push. Push. Come on, go. Go. Come on, Chris. We're almost there. Come on. You got 20 seconds left. Can you get as many? I want you to beat it, Chris. I want you to beat it. I see 52 down there. I want you to beat it. Come on, go, go, go. Stay strong. All right, guys, keep pushing. Keep pushing. You got 10 seconds. Go, go. Focus, guys. You got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and stop. All right, breathe. Grab some water throughout this. Make sure you grab some water. It's very, very important. All right. Tyne's over here writing down. I'm not going to let her talk right now. She started with 51. She got 65. 65. How many did you get better? How many did you start with? And next time I want you to get better. Okay? Good job, guys. Now, the next exercise we're going to do is